Welcome to Cyber Theo. Today, I'll show you the top 3 best free games you can enjoy on your Meta Quest 2 in just 60 seconds. First, Rec Room. Rec Room is a social VR game where you can create and play games with friends. It offers a wide variety of activities, from paintball to escape rooms and even user-generated content. Great for both casual and competitive play. Echo VR. Echo VR is a zero-gravity sports game that combines elements of soccer, basketball, and ultimate frisbee. Players can team up in a futuristic arena to compete in fast-paced, strategic matches. It features smooth controls and immersive gameplay. Finally, VRChat. VRChat is a social platform that lets you explore virtual worlds and meet people from around the globe. Users can create their own avatars and environments, offering endless possibilities for interaction. It's known for its vibrant community and diverse experiences. And there you have it. The top 3 best free games for your Meta Quest 2. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo.